I'd say about 80% of the building is gone. There was definitely more structure here yesterday. You can almost see through some of these rooms. Yeah, that's kind of blurry. This nightclub building over here will be coming down eventually as well. Apparently the new hotel owns all of the land over where the old hotel was, and some of this back here as well. You can also see the Nurchies on the Avenue building that just went out of business. Shame too, it's a really nice facility. Alright, we're here on the Washington Avenue side of the project. There's the former Endicott Inn sign. And there's what's left of the building. Just a tiny little shard left on the end there. And here's another view of the Demolition from across Washington Avenue.